Today we're excited to introduce our NZS 2053 standard PVC corrugated conduit. Our products meet the requirements for electrical conduit installation in Australia and New Zealand. They can elevate your electrical installation to new heights with quality and reliability. Crafted from high-impact PVC material, it boasts unparalleled strength, resistant to crushing or breaking even under pressure, with a remarkable resistance to compression, rated at 1,250 Newton per 5 cm and a wide temperature range -50 to 105 degrees Celsius. To ensure your confidence, we offer free samples for quality verification before bulk orders, with sizes ranging from 16 mm to 63 mm in outer diameter and customizable inner diameters. Our conduit offers unmatched versatility to suit any project need. Engineered with robust UV resistance, it maintains longevity and reliability. They offer abrasion resistant and corrosion resistant, ensuring enduring performance in tough environment. Our conduit also boasts the highest fireproof rating, LEED 0, ensuring swift fire suppression within 5 seconds. Available in white, gray, and orange, we offer a variety of sizes and configurations, so you can find the perfect fit for your project. Ctube choices for all your electrical needs. Visit our website to learn more.